Hello, my dear friends. Friends, I am Jyotirvid Pawan Kumar. Friends, my aim of making most of my videos is to give you authentic information. Information which you can rely upon, right? See, if you are moving on the path of spiritual development towards enlightenment or self-realization, then even small mistakes in interpreting the verses of our scriptures matter a lot. They make a great difference. Many Sanskrit words are not interpreted correctly. And also, the other point is that the English language is actually not capable of rightly expressing all the Sanskrit words, right? So, care has to be taken. Now in this video, I wish to point out wrong interpretation of the Sanskrit word dharma. See, the word dharma has nothing to do with any belief system or any established religion like Hinduism, Christianity, Sikhism. No. All these religions are belief systems. They may differ from each other a lot. But dharma, which is a universal thing, applies to each human irrespective of the dharma, irrespective of the religion that person is born in. And dharma is the right way of living, righteous way of living. Universal brotherhood, loving each other, not hating because of his or her different belief system. This is giving importance to the moral values, morality, moral way of living. So it applies to each one of us. So it is wrong to interpret this word dharma as religion, right? Now let me tell you, I've taken a verse from Bhagavad Gita in order to tell you the difference it makes in interpretations. Now this is verse number 33 from the second chapter of Bhagavad Gita. You may know that there are 18 chapters in Bhagavad Gita. So this is verse number 33, shloka number 33 from the second chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Let us first of all see what this shloka is, verse is. Chetvamyam dharmyam संग्रामं न करिष्यसि तथा स्वधर्मं कीर्तिंचा हित्वा पाप मवाप्स्यसि. Now in one of the interpretations, which is very famous, in what the interpreter has given interpretation of this verse in English, if however you do not perform your religious duty of fighting, see, religious duty of fighting, that is not what dharma is. It is nothing to do with religion. Then you will certainly incur sins for neglecting your duties and thus lose your reputation as a fighter. Now the same verse interpreted by a self-realized saint. See the difference? I'll read it. But if thou declinest to undertake this righteous combat, not religious duty of fighting, righteous combat, righteous, nothing to do with religion, then having relinquished thine own dharma, see here, this self-realized person has taken the word dharma intact, because you cannot directly translate in any English word, right? Let me read it again fully. But if thou declinest to undertake this righteous combat, then having relinquished thine own dharma and glory, swadharmam and kirti, own dharma and glory, then thou will reap sin. See, he is not interpreted the word dharma wrongly as religious duty. nothing to do with any religion. See, it's a great difference. It is very important for only the true truth seekers who want their spiritual development. They need to understand what the verses convey correctly. Even little things. This is not a little mistake. This is a great mistake actually. Great blunder, I will say. Especially in these days when people are fighting because of their religion. So my dear friends, be careful, right? When you are in doubt, search. Right information is also available. It is not me only who is doing this. Many other saints are doing this, right? So I hope, see, let me incidentally tell you that even our Upanishads, I've seen in this Upanishad, which is Brihad Aranyaka Upanishad says, nothing is higher than Dharma. Nothing is higher than Dharma. But you cannot say the same statement in regard to any established religion. Which religion is highest? It is your religion, in the religion in which you are born, which is highest for you, but may not be for other people. Right? I hope this video will enlighten you and make you aware of paying great attention while reading the interpretations of our verses. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching.